Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my next beginner's journey video. My name is Tom and we are here with my Subaru WRX STI. For everyone who is watching this the first time, I'm trying to learn rally and racing techniques and I want to share the journey with you. On my last video, I showed you how I got Rev-Matching finally into muscle memory, but only at a straight road at constant velocity. And I underestimated what happens if you do the same technique in a curve. But we will get to that later. Let's first see how it goes. So, on our way to find some place to drive, a quick fact about downshifting. The lower the gear, the bigger the RPM jump. Going from 4th to 3rd gear is pretty forgiving, because the revs do not need to rise that much. But when you go from the 3rd to the 2nd gear, the RPM difference is much higher. And that means your throttle blip needs to be bigger and more precise. Okay guys, now we are where we want to be. We are entering a very curvy road, beginning with some gentle ones, like these. And later they will get sharper and sharper. I believe I'm doing pretty nice up to now. We're now in the 4th gear, down to the 3rd, and down to the 2nd. That was a nice practice. Now I'm back in the 4th gear, trying to slow it down a bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, this was a bit fast. Okay. Here we are back in the 4th gear, down to the 3rd, down to the 2nd, back to the 3rd, and down again. Okay, well, that's much more challenging than on a straight road. Wow. But I have to say, I'm getting it. Downshifting in a curve is manageable. Okay, we're now back in the 3rd and down to the 2nd. So now, as I promised, it's going uphill. So I will have to fight a slowdown during shifting. So Rev-Matching at a constant velocity became not effortless, but much easier. Okay, there's the first sharp curve uphill. Okay, we are in the 3rd gear. That wasn't good. So you remember at the beginning I said I have something I underestimated. I underestimated how the slowdown changes the game. Especially if you do that simultaneously around the corner. If you slow down in the corner, the revs just want to drop away from you. And that's what caused most of my mismatches today. What the hell? No, not again. This is now the 3rd construction site for today. And I haven't been seeing anyone working at any one of them. Really? You're kidding me? What the hell was that? If you saw something similar like that, drop it in the comments.